really wish you would have taken all of that stuff off the laptop first.
It's work, man.
No, porn.com. What? And he's not using ID.
Oh, I haven't been on a train in years.
Come and join us on the coach. Going for a little train trip. You might just be able to leave this warehouse. You're going to join us. There's plenty of space on this train for us all. We were told these are trains that get damaged, burned. Maybe you got hurt on this train. Did your ghost come with this train? Is your spirit connected to this train? Are you here? Okay, now then.
Is that you trying to tell us where you are? How many of you are here with us?
That's me, just sitting. Whoa.
Okay, you heard that right. That's not.
But where are they?
They're even at the warehouse on that side.
Was that you making that noise? Can you do it again?
You have to go, you take it as it comes and you have to see like what could possibly cause that. There's a multitude of
Did
things.
you hear that again?
No.
Mm.
What did
There's
you
another more noise.
Remember I asked earlier if you want us to come there you have to make a noise. To where you want us to go.
I heard the second one. Sorry, can you do us a third one? That's coming from that side.
How about a fourth one?
Can you slam a door to show us your power? Slam a door somewhere.
Oh,
That's a door. That's a door. No, the door closed. There's one knock. Where do you want us to be?
Knock and we will come there.
That side. Okay, we're on our way.
here's the step.
Hey, spikes. You also spiked.
I was just spiked out as well, and I got goosebumps.
I'm getting goosebumps as well. Are there windows in that office?
That was Sean.
No, but like a screw thing over there. Oh no, this is me.
It's
Yeah,
you.
sorry.
Peter was saying that.
Windows up there, yeah. There we go. That's back to where I was.
Spikes.
Are you messing with us?
Just had spikes, yeah?
I didn't get.
Don't be a fucking coward. Do something, impress us. Throw a door, throw something. There's a light always going off in that room, that's what I'm asking.
Where?
That one over there.
The middle one.
Yes. Shine your light, take it there. That one there. Yeah,
What do you see?
a light. There goes. Is there a computer in there?
That's another UPS or something.
Looks like a...
I don't see a light, but I've got the screen in my eye, so my night vision is buggered. Is it flashing?
It's not flashing right now. Is that you in the office there?
That does look like a computer screen, eh?
Did you just hear a voice now?
I did, but now I'm talking
like
again.
a girl, like a woman. I heard
I heard
something.
something,
now.
but I was talking.
Was it you speaking just now? Can you say hello?
we go again. The noise is all happening that side, eh? That sounds like tools dropping.
Have you moved away from here now? Are you luring us to another position?
Now that we're all here,
Oh, good one!
now things are coming alive for once. This is probably the first time that you've heard anybody in this storeroom or the shed this time of the night, but we're here to communicate. We come here with respect. We just want to communicate and record. We mean no harm. But we'd like to give you this opportunity to put yourself on a recorder so we can record you, find out who you are, maybe even tell the story that you need to tell. By communicating with us, you can either touch me, Corne, or Pieter. You can speak into this little box that I'm holding in my hand. Or if it's easier for you, you can just make a noise. Any knocking noise to draw our attention. Train depot. Ons is ook Afrikaans. So as jy Afrikaans verstaan, kommunikeer met ons in Afrikaans. Moenie skaam wees nie. Okay, that was a knocking now, but I think that's just the structure. It's just the two of us, or me and Pieter, and how many of you are in here?
Fuck was it?
Jesus, dude. Okay.
Was dit jy gewees wat iets gegooi het nou?
Okay, maar laat ons gaan kyk, wat die hel was dit? That's full cock.
Is dit?
Okay, that's bird droppings. Jesus.
Dit klink soos 'n balpunt pas.
Here, dude. Okay. See the pigeons are up there. And that's the bird poop. No, I'm not going to touch that, but that scared the bejesus. Again, we're just walking around. We're waiting for a signal, waiting for a sign. And I'm not particularly feeling well, so I could rather be in a warm bed, treating my cold rather than being in this cold place. But it's probably much colder where you are. Or am I wrong? Talk to me. Okay, we heard you and we felt you. I mean, where are you now? Where have you gone? Are you going to jump around the corner and scare the bejesus out of me? Okay, I'm getting the chills again. I'm getting like goosebumps and then I'm tensing up. Is this you? Who are you? What are you? Did you hear that? It's like a, I don't know, but I heard like a mumbling or like a... Who's there in the back? Who's there? We're hearing you. Ons hoor julle. Of ons hoor vir jou. It's another. Ek weet nie of dit 'n bloody hond is of wat dit is, maar daai
Ja,
hoor jy hom?
soos ja.
Can you make these chains move? Just tap one of them. Please. Okay, that's a loud bang. Are you there in the back? We're hearing music. Well, unless we're going senile, but we're hearing faint music. Are you there in the room in the back there by the light? Sit die deur oop. Hello? Okay, radio switched off. Okay.
Hy was hier aan die ons inkom.
Hmm?
Ek het niks gehoor.
That's ook waar. Okay, well, just tag. We didn't hear any music playing when we came in, so but that radio is now switched off. Okay, as dit jy was, if it was you, there's a way of letting us know that you're around. Switch that on again. Closing the door now. What do you think of the graffiti on these train wagons? Train cars? I think they're beautiful. Do you hear that?
Ja.
It's like a yeah.
Ja.
Oops. So you like the graffiti because we heard you. Can't bullshit us now. How does it make you feel? Hoe voel jy? Die trein gaan nêrens. What the? I'm hearing noises.
Ja. I'm hearing actually faint speaking.
But again, I don't know if it's then probably because of the taxi rank or the train station. I mean, how far is the train station from here?
It's about 3 k's.
Okay, no, then. Okay, well, again, there's faint noises like voices or whatever else.